Alright, we're going to take just a raindrop. If you can't remember how to draw a raindrop, it's draw a circle by holding down the shift, direct selection tool to drag one point up, make an egg, anchor point tool, turn into a raindrop. Right? Alright, so I've got my raindrop. I'm going to use my oval tool. Go over here, line up with the center of my raindrop, drag up. If you should see a green line because we got guides turned on. If you don't see that green line, view, smart guides. Okay, so it shows me that I'm lined up at the center of that raindrop. I'm going to draw a circle by holding down Shift to draw a circle, Alt to draw from the circle out, draw a small circle. Selection tool, select my raindrop, rotate tool, hold down Alt and click the center of the circle. So it's going to rotate around the center of that circle. Do something something that's divisible by 360. So we're going to do 30, and we're going to do a copy. Okay, and then we're going to do Command copy, Command C, Command F, Command paste in front, Command D to repeat the rotate. CFD, 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 CFD. Alright, I'm going to draw a marquee around all of them and get rid of the fill. Okay, and then I'm going to do Object Group to join them all together. And then I'm going to reduce the size down. Okay, and probably reduce the stroke weight. And I can zoom into just this area by drawing a marquee around it. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I want to make a pattern of this. Let's make a different color. Let's do, I don't know, purple maybe. Oh, not on the fill. And the stroke. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to Object, Pattern, Make. And it says a new pattern has been added to swatches. Any changes that you make while in editing mode will be automatically put on the swatch. Okay, so boom, it makes a pattern of it. Now, we can rename this pattern, call it, oh, I don't know, alien heads. They look like alien heads to me. And then there's a drop down box here, grid, brick by row, brick by column, hex by column. Okay, and then I can click this little pattern tile tool right here and see how it gave me these little things so I can actually make these closer together if I want to. I can make them farther apart. Kind of like closer together. Okay, so I can change how they interact with each other. Once you get something that you like, you just click out of this and boom, you've got a pattern. Okay, so let's zoom out here. Okay, so let's do something else. Let's draw, run that, delete that. Okay, so let's draw a circle. And then we're going to come in here and we're going to fill it with that pattern that we just made. Let's get rid of the stroke. Get rid of the stroke. I'm not sure to let us get rid of the stroke because it's a pattern. No, it did. It did. So that's kind of cool how we made this pattern. Well, wait, that's not the pattern we made. That's not the pattern we made. Okay, let's back up. Object pattern. Let's go in there, huh? Okay, well, we'll go all the way back. Object pattern make. Okay. New patterns by add swatches palette. Any changes made while pattern editing mode will be applied to the swatch upon exit. Isn't that what we did? Okay, so we did brick. No, we did hex. And then I clicked this little box up in here and changed it some so they overlapped more. I called it aliens. Let's do save a copy. Just be aliens 2. Okay, so now let's try this. Delete all this. Delete that. Draw a circle. And then fill it with our pattern. That looks better. That looks better. Okay. So create a pattern of your own. You should and put it on this same design. Okay. So you can leave this one here that shows that you did the pattern that I did. That we did together. Excuse me. It's a pattern that we did together. And you can design another pattern of your own. Create some weird complex shape, make it a pattern. Okay. And actually, you can do whatever you want to, because I'm going to show you something really cool here in the next video. So if you want to draw a picture, I don't know, of, let's do something really quick here. Reverse, black stroke, and then a smaller circle. No stroke. Copy, paste in front, slide it over. And then let's do another smaller circle. And draw a square over the top half. Select both of them. And then do view Pathfinder, window Pathfinder, excuse me. Where's minus front? Minus front, there we go. Drag it up over there. And then again, select all of this. Object pattern. Why is it still doing that? Because it still didn't save a copy. It still says we're in pattern mode, I guess, basically, huh? Show options. Grid. Alright, so basically we're going to have to copy that. We're going to make a new file because it still says we're in pattern mode. Paste it. Now let's do object pattern. It's just being difficult. Just being difficult. There we go. Hex by row. So you can make a pattern out of anything you want, really. And guess what? You can do more than one object too. So let's back out of this. So let's see. I want to do a circle, a smiley face, and a blue square. Just real quick, just for kicks and grins. Object, pattern, make. Okay. And then again, I can do brick by column, hex by column. Okay. Save it as smiles. And again, you're going to have to, because we did it differently, I'm pretty sure we're going to do like this. Save a copy. Smiles too, because I'm pretty sure it's going to save the original. Okay. So you can do more complex patterns as well. You don't have to just do like I showed you. You can take whatever kind of design you want to make and make a pattern out of it. Okay, it'll automatically make a pattern for you. It's going to be real important for the next one, the next assignment that I show you. So create one or two patterns, save them, use them, save them, turn them in. Okay, and then we'll go from there.